Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in physics. The quest to merge quantum theory and Einstein's general theory of relativity. It's a challenge that has puzzled scientists for decades, and a new study from TU Wien might just bring us closer to solving it. So, let's explore this exciting development and see how it could change our understanding of the universe. First things first, let's talk about the problem. Quantum theory is incredibly precise when it comes to describing the behavior of tiny particles, but it doesn't account for gravity. On the other hand, Einstein's general theory of relativity is a powerhouse when it comes to explaining gravity and the motion of celestial bodies. However, these two theories don't quite fit together. They're like two different languages trying to communicate the same reality. Physicists have proposed various theories to bridge this gap, like string theory, loop quantum gravity, and asymptotically safe gravity. But here's the catch. None of these theories have a clear, observable effect that experiments can measure to determine which one is correct. It's like searching for Cinderella's slipper, that one perfect fit that reveals the true princess. So how do we find that slipper? Well, Benjamin Koch and his team at TU Wien are taking a unique approach. They're focusing on geodesics, which are the shortest paths between 2 points in space. In general relativity, these paths are crucial for understanding how massive objects like planets and stars move. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Koch and his team are trying to apply quantum physics to these geodesics. In quantum theory, particles don't have precise positions or momenta. Instead, they have probability distributions. So, they're replacing the classical metric of relativity with a quantum version, which introduces quantum uncertainty into spacetime curvature. This is a huge mathematical challenge, but Koch and his PhD student, Ali Rayahinia, along with Angel Rinson, managed to make some progress. They quantized the metric for a specific case, a spherically symmetric gravitational field that remains constant over time. This model can describe the sun's gravitational field. The team then calculated how a small object would move in this field when the metric itself is treated as a quantum quantity. They derived a new equation called the q-desic equation, which shows that in quantum spacetime, particles don't always follow the shortest path, as classical geodesics would predict. Now, here's the exciting part. When the researchers incorporated the cosmological constant, often associated with dark energy, into their q-desic equation, the results were surprising. These quantum paths differ significantly from the ones predicted by classical relativity, both at extremely small distances and on very large cosmic scales. The small-scale differences are likely too tiny to measure, but at distances around 10 to the power of 21 meters, the effects could be substantial. And here's the kicker: on very large cosmological scales, where general relativity has major puzzles, there's a clear difference between the particle trajectories predicted by the q-desic equation and those from unquantized general relativity. So, what does this mean for our quest to test quantum gravity? Well, this research introduces a new mathematical framework that could help us compare theoretical predictions with real observations. It might just be the slipper we've been searching for, a measurable clue that can help us distinguish between competing theories of quantum gravity. In my opinion, this is a significant step forward. It shows that quantum corrections on large scales can produce dramatic changes, and it gives us hope that by further developing this approach, we can gain new insights into important cosmic phenomena. Imagine being able to test the rotation speeds of spiral galaxies and finally solve some of the mysteries of the universe. What do you think? Is this the breakthrough we've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing physics content. Thanks for watching.